Greetings, beautiful ladies and gentlemen in the house. Hope you have had a good day. Today, I want to take a review of Revamin Lash product. It is the best and natural alternative to eyelashes extensions. It is an eyelash serum. It is true that the use of eyelashes has come to stay, and every woman that want to look good, or let me rephrase it, most women that want to look good are making good use of them. We know that artificial eyelashes extension can also damage your eyes when a mistake is made by the artist. So, this is the best alternative. It is natural. It is psychologically tested and proven that every woman want to look good. They want to care for themselves, want to look good. They want to attract attention. While the unkempt and ugly are not enjoying such privilege. Revamin Lash is a cutting-edge eyelash cream for those who want to look good better than the artificial lashes. Revamin Lash was made with organic, tried and true natural ingredients. When it is applied to the lashes, it thickens it. It makes it grow longer and makes you look good. It stimulates the growth of the hair in the eyes, that's the lashes. Revamin Lash nourishes the lashes and the skin around the eyes, promoting eyelashes formation. The effects of long and thick use of this type of eyelashes can be accomplished with the application of Revamin Lash serum on a regular basis. Since it is healthy, it's good for the eyes, it does not irritate the skin or the eyes or the lashes. It is a common option that most celebrities are now using. After just 3 weeks, you will see the effects. It will be noticed by others too. Some of the benefits of using Revamin Lash includes accelerating of the eyelash growth, strengthening of the hair structure, visibly thickening and lengthening of lashes, moisturize and improving the appearance of the lashes. Who can use Revamin Lash? Is it made for? Revamin Lash serum was created for women who like their lashes to be naturally long and thicken every day. Have you ever wondered why your eyelashes are so thin and sparse? The following are some of the key reasons why some people lashes are falling off. One is adverse weather condition. Heavy makeup is another reason. Gluing artificial eyelashes also helps to break it when it is to be removed. Another reason why some people have scanty eyelashes is that they are rubbing their eyes every now and then. Another reason is that improper facial hygiene. When the face is not properly taken care of, can lead to the loss of hair called lashes around the eyes. The end result is always very noticeable as the lashes are fading away and falling off. You must keep this in mind, that your eyelashes should be treated with same respect as the rest of the body. It needs to be moisturized, it needs to be nourished on a regular basis, and this can result in you looking good and having a thick lashes and long ones. This is due to the high quality of ingredients found in Revamin Lash cream, which were formulated to produce the full benefits of eyelash lengthening and thickening. How does it work? Well, Revamin Lash was created with the natural products and not artificial ones, so it ensures maximum efficiency and safety to the eyes and the skin around the eyes. If you regularly apply it, it will make your lashes longer and look better and thicker. There's zinc in it, there's caffeine, and this helps to produce and stimulate the bulb, which contributes to the faster eyelash growth. It's also thickening the eyelashes because of the product called biotin and panthenol, and which have positive effects on the hair structure, making the hair nourished, longer, and thicker. This formula helps to stabilize the lashes, helps the weak hair or the lashes to grow, and instantly protect it from external influence. This is because the formula contains glycerin, which nourishes the scalp, as well as sodium hydrogenate, which strengthens the hair. It is very important to keep your skin and hair hydrated, and that is exactly what this product does. It moisturizes the hair, it moisturizes the wall around the lashes due to uric content in it. The truth is that it has been tested to be efficient and proven by scientists to be working. It has been repeatedly studied and shown to be good for use and to grow eyelashes, as well as proven to be nourishing the about to fall off lashes and strengthening them. This product, when it was made, was tested, and after 30 days, a clinical trial of 30 participants revealed that eyelashes were 17% longer and 19% thicker due to the use of this substance, which in itself contains biotinol tripeptide 1. Revamin Lash contains very good ingredients for the body. The rich composition of it makes the eyelashes to definitely durable and distinguish it from any other products you may find the world over. The combination of so many active ingredients allow for the natural growth and conditioning of the eyelashes. This product is very popular, and most women are going after it instead of the artificial ones. Unfortunately, our natural hair is weakened as a result of this treatment of using the artificial eyelashes extension. It is also common for beauticians to charge a lot of money for eyelashes extensions to be insufficiently educated. It is easy to damage the eyes because the eyes are so fragile and does not need any such substances as glue. In fact, I will drop a video link in the description so that you can listen to what happened to a lady while fixing eyelashes. The good news, however, is that every woman who are slowly abandoning this form of eyelashes fixing, that is eyelashes extension, and realistically sticking to the natural one, the best of which is this product. Revamin Lash is a product that will help you to preserve your weakening and thin eyelashes. On a regular basis, our lashes are exposed to conditions such as winds, fogs, snows, and the sun, so we must take care of them. That is why this product was made, to help us. Time will befall us if we continue to talk about it. The testimonials of different users has proven that it is the best in town, all over the world. In fact, it has no rival. I will drop a link to my review on the description. You can go looking at it by yourself, and of course look at the testimonial from the users. Then you will know that there is no need for you to doubt or fear. It is natural, it is nourishing, it is good for use, it's highly recommended, based in the market, and scientifically proven and tested to be good. Start taking care of your eyelashes and enjoy the natural look every day. So that is my review of this product. Take a look at it, use it, enjoy it, and thank me later. Don't forget to do that. Please subscribe to this channel so that when I do the next review, you'll be among the first to see these high-class products, some of which you will never know they exist. Thank you. See you on the next video.